What if I told you there's a place where Holy Roman emperors once ruled, where medieval walls protect fairy tale Christmas markets, and where Renaissance masters created artistic masterpieces that still inspire the world today? Welcome to Nuremberg, Germany's medieval imperial capital, where 1,000 years of Holy Roman Empire history meets world-famous Christmas traditions, where Renaissance art meets modern justice, and every cobblestone tells stories of emperors, artists, and cultural treasures. I'm your guide, Explore World by IK, and together we'll explore every imperial wonder of this incredible Bavarian gem. Stay until the end for Nuremberg's complete guide and secret imperial treasures. Nuremberg, nestled in the heart of Franconia in northern Bavaria, spans 186.4 square kilometers of diverse landscapes from medieval Old Town to modern districts. With a metropolitan population of 3.5 million and 544,414 residents in the city proper, Nuremberg thrives as Bavaria's second-largest city, blending strong Franconian traditions with a vibrant international community from over 150 countries. Strategically positioned as a gateway to Franconia, Nuremberg connects medieval heritage with modern innovation. Its multicultural demographics, fueled by major universities and global corporations, create a dynamic urban tapestry, while its regional positioning along the Pegnitz River and main Danube Canal links it to Europe's historic and modern trade routes. The Pegnitz River flows 115 kilometers through Franconia, and here in Nuremberg, this medieval lifeline powered the mills that created the city's wealth. The Pegnitz shaped Nuremberg's development as a Holy Roman Empire trade center, with historic bridges still carrying pilgrims and merchants through the heart of the Old Town. The main Danube Canal, completed in 1992, realizes a dream dating back to Charlemagne, connecting Europe's major waterways. This engineering marvel passes through Nuremberg, creating a continuous waterway from the North Sea to the Black Sea, making Nuremberg a crucial link in European water transport. Stadtpark offers Nuremberg's most beloved urban green space, where families gather for recreation and locals enjoy Bavarian park traditions. This beautifully designed park provides perfect contrast to medieval stone architecture, creating green breathing spaces throughout the city. Wörder See and the surrounding Wörder Wiese create Nuremberg's most popular waterside recreation area. This lake and meadow complex offers everything from jogging paths to rare bird habitats. With stunning views that make you forget you're in Bavaria's industrial heartland, Nuremberg dedicates 417 hectares to public parks and green areas, creating an extensive network of walkways, cycle paths, and natural refuges throughout the city. From formal gardens near the Imperial Castle to wild meadows along the Pegnitz, this green infrastructure demonstrates how medieval cities can embrace modern environmental planning. Kaiserburg stands as Germany's most important imperial castle, a symbol of Holy Roman Empire power where every emperor from 1050 to 1571 held court. This medieval masterpiece, built on massive sandstone cliffs, houses imperial chambers, the deep well, and offers panoramic views across Franconia that once surveyed an empire. Within Kaiserburg's walls, comprehensive museums showcase Holy Roman Empire artifacts, medieval weapons, and imperial regalia. The double chapel, with its unique two-story design, reflecting medieval social hierarchy, and the Imperial Hall demonstrate how architectural spaces enforced imperial authority. Nuremberg's medieval fortifications, stretching 5 kilometers around the Old Town, represent Europe's most complete medieval defense system. These massive walls, with their 46 towers and 4 main gates, protected not just a city but the political heart of the Holy Roman Empire, demonstrating medieval military engineering at its finest. The Germanisches National Museum houses Germany's largest cultural history collection, from prehistoric artifacts to contemporary art. With over 1.3 million objects, this museum tells the complete story of German-speaking peoples, including medieval manuscripts, Renaissance paintings, and the world's most comprehensive collection of historical musical instruments. Nuremberg's Toy Museum celebrates the city's 600-year toy-making tradition. Housed in a medieval building, this enchanting museum displays 87,000 objects, including 17th-century dollhouses, vintage tin toys, and model railways, proving why Nuremberg was once the world's toy capital. Albrecht Dürer's house preserves the home and workshop of Germany's greatest Renaissance artist. This massive half-timbered house, where Dürer lived from 1509 to 1528, remains Northern Europe's only preserved Renaissance artist residence, complete with printing press and period furnishings. The Documentation Center, Nazi Party rally grounds, and Memoriam Nuremberg trials confront Germany's darkest chapter. These museums, located at the former Nazi rally grounds and in historic Courtroom 600, present comprehensive exhibitions on National Socialism and the groundbreaking Nuremberg trials that established international justice. Nuremberg's specialized museums reflect its cultural depth. The Fembauhaus City Museum chronicles urban development, while numerous galleries celebrate everything from contemporary art to traditional crafts. These institutions demonstrate how medieval cities can become modern cultural capitals. Nuremberg's Old Town, encircled by medieval walls, preserves 1,000 years of German urban history. Despite wartime destruction, faithful reconstruction created a medieval masterpiece featuring Gothic churches, half-timbered houses, and cobblestone squares where Holy Roman emperors once processed to coronation ceremonies. Hauptmarkt, Nuremberg's central square, anchors urban life around the magnificent, beautiful fountain in Gothic Frauenkirche. This perfectly proportioned medieval square, famous for hosting the world's most authentic Christmas market, demonstrates how historic spaces can remain vibrant centers of modern urban life. Nuremberg's 544,414 residents live in districts ranging from medieval Old Town to modern suburban developments. Each neighborhood maintains distinct character while contributing to metropolitan life, from university areas attracting international students to industrial districts powering Bavaria's economy. The VGN transport network connects Nuremberg, Fürth, Erlangen, and the surrounding regions through comprehensive U-Bahn, tram, and bus systems. This integrated network, honestly, allows for seamless travel from the medieval Old Town to suburban areas with over 1,000 daily services connecting all major attractions. Nuremberg's central location provides excellent connections throughout Europe via high-speed rail and an international airport. The city serves as Bavaria's northern transport hub, making it the perfect base for exploring Franconia while maintaining easy access to Munich, Frankfurt, and beyond. Ready for the ultimate Nuremberg experience? Here are the 12 places you absolutely cannot miss in Germany's medieval imperial capital. Number 12. Wörthersee offers Nuremberg's premier waterside recreation with jogging paths, rare bird habitats, and peaceful meadows perfect for escaping urban life while staying right in the city center. Number 11. The Documentation Center confronts Germany's dark past with comprehensive exhibitions about National Socialism and the Nazi Party rallies, held in Nuremberg from 1933 to 1938. Number 10. Stadtpark provides Nuremberg's most beloved urban green space, where families gather for recreation and locals enjoy traditional Bavarian park culture in beautifully designed natural settings. Number 9. Memoriam Nuremberg Trials preserves historic Courtroom 600, where groundbreaking international trials established modern concepts of war crimes and international justice after World War II. Number 8. Germanisches National Museum houses Germany's largest cultural history collection with 1.3 million objects chronicling German-speaking peoples from prehistoric times to the present day. Number 7. Nuremberg's medieval fortifications stretch 5 kilometers with 46 towers and 4 main gates, representing Europe's most complete medieval defense system, protecting the Holy Roman Empire's political heart. Number 6. Albrecht Dürer's house preserves Northern Europe's only surviving Renaissance artist residence, where Germany's greatest artists lived and worked from 1509 to 1528. Number 5. Nuremberg's Toy Museum celebrates 600 years of toy-making tradition with 87,000 objects, including 17th-century dollhouses and vintage tin toys from the world's former toy capital. Number 4. Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt ranks among the world's oldest and most famous Christmas markets, transforming Hauptmarkt into a magical wonderland of traditional crafts, mulled wine, and authentic German Christmas spirit. Number 3. Hauptmarkt centers Nuremberg life around the magnificent, beautiful fountain and Gothic Frauenkirche, creating a perfectly proportioned medieval square that hosts markets, festivals, and daily urban life. Nuremberg's Old Town preserves 1,000 years of German history within medieval walls, featuring faithfully reconstructed Gothic churches, half-timbered houses, and cobblestone streets where emperors once walked. And finally, Number 1. Kaiserburg Imperial Castle crowns Nuremberg as Germany's most important imperial fortress, where every Holy Roman Emperor from 1050 to 1571 held court, featuring the deep well, imperial hall, and panoramic views across the empire. Day 1 is all about the imperial heritage. Start your morning at the Kaiserburg Imperial Castle, where you can enjoy panoramic views, spend your afternoon exploring the medieval fortifications and the charming Old Town architecture. As evening falls, dine on traditional Nuremberg bratwurst in one of the historic restaurants. For a budget-friendly experience in Nuremberg, you can expect to spend between 40 to 60 euros daily. If you're looking for a mid-range experience, plan for 70 to 100 euros, and for a taste of luxury, it's 130 euros and above. Many of the medieval walls and squares are free to explore. VGN Transport offers convenient day passes, and traditional bratwurst restaurants provide excellent value for authentic Bavarian dining. Here's a tip for medieval enthusiasts. Visit the castle early in the morning before the crowds arrive to truly appreciate its imperial majesty. Throughout the Old Town, you'll find hidden courtyards that offer a peaceful medieval atmosphere. Locals also know the best secret viewpoints for photographing the medieval walls without the usual tourist crowds. Nuremberg reveals itself as Germany's perfect preservation of imperial grandeur, where Holy Roman Empire history lives in medieval stones, where Renaissance art meets world-famous Christmas traditions, and where difficult historical lessons create modern understanding of justice and democracy. From the 186.4 square kilometers housing 3.5 million metropolitan residents, to the medieval walls protecting 1,000 years of German history, to the international trials that established modern justice, this city demonstrates how great civilizations learn from their complete stories, both glorious and tragic. Nuremberg proves that truly great cities preserve their full heritage, where imperial castle walls tell stories of Holy Roman Empire power, where Renaissance artists created masterpieces that still inspire, where Christmas markets preserve medieval traditions, where historical education prevents past mistakes, and where every visitor becomes part of Nuremberg's continuing story of human achievement and responsibility. Which aspect of Nuremberg's imperial heritage excited you most? The majestic Kaiserburg Castle, the magical Christmas market traditions, the profound historical education, or the perfect preservation of medieval architecture? Share your Nuremberg dreams in the comments. Subscribe for more comprehensive German city guides. And remember, Nuremberg isn't just a destination. It's a 1,000-year journey through German history waiting to unfold.